Yeah.
Welcome to Coffs Coast, eh? This is where I'm from. We're going to do a little short series around the area. Shows way more to it than the Big Banana and Pebbly Beach. So day one, we're going to shoot up the mountain about 100 k's that way. Go and show everyone Dorrigo and Promised Lands. And then tomorrow we'll go and show you a few more little secret spots that you won't see on anyone else's YouTube. Probably get in trouble for it too, but jump in, let's go, eh? Waterfalls is set just 45 minutes west of Coffs Harbour. This place isn't just about the destination though, as the journey up waterfall way is equally as stunning. We were making the most of the sunshine on this day, as the week's outlook was looking a bit grim in typical Coffs Harbour fashion. Now you can hike down to the bottom of the falls and have a dip, but we chose to save it for later on in the Promised Lands. Plus, only a few weeks back, Dorrigo had close to 1,200 mils of rain, so water quality was less than ideal. Thanks, Alfred. Stop number 2 for our little tour of Coffs Harbour, or Dorrigo more likely, is Skybridge, and we're not going to do that bloody big walk. I don't.
Is it always just green up here once we're in the ranges?
It is. It's all dairy farm country, so it's always raining and always green like this. That's Brad and Carly. Got them along for the trip. They're from Adelaide, and we met them in Savandes last year on one of the first parts of our trip. You probably would have seen him on our Sandy Cape episode, hey?
Yeah.
So
The Lucas Adventures will tab.
stoked to finally catch up with him again and do full tour guide thing and show him a few spots around here. I think they're here for a week, and I think that's all we're here for too. So Dorrigo today. Tomorrow we're going to do a couple of little secret waterfalls that I don't know whether I'm allowed to tell you where they are, so, but I'm sure plenty of other people have been to them. So.
Little local secrets.
Local secrets.
We'll just tease ya, and then if you find them yourself, then that's great.
Yeah, good on you. Anyways, this is Dorrigo.
Look outside. You one down the window.
There's no drones too.
Is it?
Standard. I've had drone here before.
You fly from the car park, you didn't see it.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Holding someone's hand. Come on, quick. Lane. Oh, I don't know whether Jazzy can carry it all that way. How about I carry his all? Ready? Set. Ready? Down. Yeah, is that better? There you go.
Wow.
Remember that Black Friday one? The fire like years ago? Went like all the way from Victoria all the way up.
Yeah,
Ages.
for like
Pretty
months and months just before COVID.
All right. Ready?
Are you going on a little ride, Sash?
Steady. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Now, with a new day upon us, we wake up at Bonville Campground. Being probably the best value campground with close proximity to everything in the Coffs region, it's a hard one to go past. Dog friendly, drop toilets, and ample room for everyone to set up their camp. Now once we kick into gear, we decided to show Brad and Carly probably our favourite waterhole in the whole Coffs region, and it's one that I grew up about 5 minutes around the corner from. Tell us a bit about this joint. Where is it? I dare ya.
Hey, where is it? Down the road, around the corner, up a hill. You might find it.
Show us that belly.
You can get out of it.
Alright, here's a little secret tip. Oh, yeah, no more. Tell us, Brad, what do you reckon about this spot and the tour so far?
Bloody great tour.
Yeah.
Bloody ripping spot.
Am I allowed to show everyone your skid back on the beach or what?
Classified. That's classified.
Blur out the number plate. We're in the business.
Could be some good advertisement for you back home.
Could be.
About what we were just talking about.
I said to Joel that like that is probably one of those places that's pretty special that we are gatekeeping, and I hate to be that person that gatekeeps.
This one always whinges about people who
I do
gatekeep.
whinge about it, and I am a hypocrite, I admit it. It's just like one of those spots that Joel's grown up at. Not many people go there other than locals. Like there's a local dog that just runs around. Red dog that runs around. And I just took Elaine there when I was like, when she was first born, and I went there when I was pregnant, and I would just hate to see like people rooftop camping there, so I just...
And ruining it.
Yeah. Because
But
every
it's-
time we go there, we're like the only ones there, or you see like the same 5 people.
But we're going to be
Always.
the first people to call ourselves out and say that we're hypocrites.
Oh,
because
100% hypocrites.
We're literally going around Australia looking for all the spots exactly like that.
I know.
What do you do?
It's probably the one spot that we won't tell you where it is. If you find it on your own accord, 110%, like, enjoy it. But just, we're not going to lead people there because we don't want people to camp there, because you can't camp there anyway.
It's not super sticky.
No, it's beautiful, but around Coffs itself there's so many creeks, so you will stumble if you don't find that one. You will stumble upon many. Don't worry about it. Oh Lord! And in classic Coffs form,
Bloody oath, look at it coming down.
it's raining. Only positive about raining Coffs, full tanks.
Magic. We got no light, this is our
Sorry.
A cameraman.
Sorry, I was just getting confused.
What are they though, Brent?
southern syrup dumplings.
And how good are they for your health?
Not very when you got the high cholesterol. Who's first? How many? You want just 4?
Oh my lord. My camera's gonna melt.
Is that enough
Where's
sauce?
the custard at? Holy shit. Oh my god.
You're gonna be. How much does Mum want?
More than you because you got high cholesterol. So you can only have.
Is that yours?
Yeah, you can just smell it. It's a bit bougie, hey, you've got camp cooking and then you've got a Thermomix.
Excuse me, that was a 12 volt.
Yeah, this wasn't me. There you
Not mad about it though. Oh,